Meaning of Humphrey Davy.
Humphrey Davy.
Humphrey Davy.
Humphrey Davy.
Humphrey Davy. Humphrey Davy was a British chemist and inventor who lived in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. He is best known for his discoveries of several chemical elements and his work in developing the field of electrochemistry. Davy was a pioneer in demonstrating the effects and potential applications of electricity, and his research laid the foundation for important innovations such as batteries, electric motors, and arc lamps. His legacy continues to influence modern science, particularly in the fields of chemistry and electricity. Overall, Humphrey Davy was a significant contributor to the scientific progress of his time.